Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you are using your Facebook with a language except English and you want to get back in English, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily change Facebook language back to English on your Android phone or maybe iPhone. The process will be same for Android and iPhone users. So to do that, just open your Facebook app from your phone. Now just tap on this three line here on the top right corner. Now your interface will be different from me because if you are using your local language or any other language, then it will be not like this. But what you have to do, just scroll a little bit and just tap on this second tab here, which is settings and privacy, or whatever it is with your local language or which language you are using. Just tap on this. Now from here, just scroll down and you can see there is an option language. So it may be different in your language which you are using currently. So just tap on here and you can see all the language which Facebook support. Now get back to English, just tap on this English and it will automatically change the language for your Facebook. So basically this is how you can get back to English in your Facebook account. So I think this was helpful for you. If it is, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.